This is the Vintage Coach Zip Around Compact Clutch, style number 6901 in the color black. And I would estimate it was most likely made in the 1990s. So as you can see, this is a nice little wallet that has a zip closure, as you can see, and it does come with a mini hang tag. So here's the exterior of the wallet again. Both sides look about the same. And then here's what the back of the wallet looks like. And then here's kind of a 360 of the sides. And then I'll open it again and show you the inside compartments. So here's what the inside of the wallet looks like. It does have this middle zip coin compartment inside. And then it's got multiple little credit card slots here, 2 on each side. And then the little slots are lined with the blue tick lining on the inside. It's kind of hard to show it well on camera, but it is there. And then of course it's also got some space in between the little slots where you could store items. So that is the Zip Around Compact Clutch, style number 6901, and it is available now in our online store. So I will leave the link below in case anyone wanted to check it out. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you in the next video.